This is truly a wonderful collection. I've got the cover here, and it is called the Tapestry collection. It's by our art director, Kylas, and there are 3 color combinations, and I've pulled them apart so you can see. But one thing I want to tell you, there are 627 pieces in this collection. Wow, all of it in one stack. It's called Stack'ems. Now I'm going to put this aside and show you each of the collections, and I've got a project from each one. This is the first, and you can tell it has very soft colors, very pretty, as you can see. They are 12 by 12, of course. Perfect for scrapbooking, ideal for card making, as you can see. They are paper, but there's also some cardstock in here too. So just like this. Now, in addition to these papers, there are also reversible die cuts. Look at this collection. So you can see, now they're printed on one side, it says Life's Simple Pleasures. It's got a flower, but when I flip them over, they're blank. Now, what's the use of that, you might ask? Well, you can stamp on them, you can ink them, you can computer journal on them, or you can use them like this. Really, really nice. These are double-sided. These are also double-sided. You've got a huge collection of embellishments with this one paper pack. Okay, now we've also got stickers. There are a total of 354 stickers. Now, these are the ones that match this collection. So both of them. So you've got all your alphabet. You've got upper and lower case. You've got more borders. You had some in the die cuts. And then you have all of these. So you've got more areas where you can computer journal or stamp, but you've got some ones that are just beautiful. Memory log, Our Family, Too Cute, You and Me. Just really, really sweet. Now, what can you do with this? Well, on the cover, there is a project, and this is showing the family. But we've done a card also. So here's a card using them. And I'm going to turn this over so you can see it a little bit better. So you can see the die cuts, you can see the stickers, and of course the papers. Just beautifully, beautifully done. Okay, that's one collection, 1/3 of all of this. Okay, let me get you the next one. Let me scoot this over. Now this is a brighter, so we had the pastels, and this is a brighter one. So you can see the reds, the bright greens, and black for contrast. There's an all over. Dots are perfect, as you know. We come into some lightweight cardstock with an all-over print, and then a green all-over print. And then we're back into the die cut. Same deal. They are reversible. Now, there are 255 in total in the collection. I think the reverse part of them is so clever, just really lets you do more. And we've got another whole sheet with more, and we've got B for blessings, M for memory, 100% true friend, special, precious moments, and family. All of those, again, they're reversible. And into the stickers, yes, picture perfect, my favorite things, remarkable, absolutely charming. And then you've got the alphabets and the borders, again, in stickers. Now, on the cover of the book, there is a page using this collection, just absolutely charming. But we've gone ahead, and thank you, Lene, she's done a card doing this. So you can see multiple of the papers, of course. She's got the die cut, she's got the stickers, all layered out there for a happy birthday to you card. Really sweet, very fun. But there's a third one. Okay, let me scoot this over. And this is more a masculine with the paisley, just really nice. The paisley, and we've got a gingham, we have a stripe, we have a larger paisley, a little less color in it, and then we have some cardstock and more paper actually. And we also have, you've got it, the die cuts and the stickers. Here are the die cuts. Friends and family, young at heart, superstar, awesome dude, playing into the masculine. I'm going to flip this over, you can see. And we have these die cuts, same idea. They're solid on the back. And our stickers, adventure, pure and total bliss, fun games, buddies, wild child. And then we have the alphabets and the borders to match. And we've done a scrapbook page on this. Now on the cover, there is a card and it's a birthday wishes. But we have done a scrapbook page so you can see how beautifully they come together, and you can do some fun techniques like Lene did of tearing and layering, just does it beautifully. So the Tapestry collection, I just don't want you to miss out on it because supplies are limited. 3 color collections, a total of 627 pieces. That's 18 sheets of cardstock and pattern paper, 255 reversible die cuts, and 354 stickers. Wow, what a deal. But it's just here at Paper Wishes.